Junior, please. Miss Junior block me tell him say me pregnant and him block me, miss.
Yo?
Junior, me tell Junior say me pregnant and him block me number. Me say can me get to him, please?
Junior?
Yes, miss.
Where you come from?
Miss, me come from Spanish Town, miss. A Junior from Linstead, me attack, miss. Yes.
So, hold on. So, how you meet him?
Miss, me have family in a Linstead as well, miss. Near Orange Field.
So, hold on. So, in the internet, say, he have one lady.
Miss? Miss, he not tell me nothing, miss. He not tell me that, miss. Miss, I help him, did I help me with school, miss? Money for go school, me go St. Catherine I, miss.
He take you what?
Miss, I help him, he never tell me nothing about no woman. I help him, did I help me with money for go school, me go St. Catherine I, me go in a grade 9.
So, how you get my number and know my name?
Miss, me did take it out on phone.
So, how you take out number out of phone and you know me?
Cause me always a search in phone, miss, and me take out in number.
You say you do what?
Miss, we search each other phone, so me did take out your number, miss. Miss Clare.
Yes?
Miss Clare, my mother run me out. Miss, right now, me there my friend Ashley house and fear her father, of course, miss. Miss, they know what they say me a body in for right now, me not have nowhere to go. Miss, I can't put me up, please.
Me can't help you, you know?
Miss, me I beg you, Miss Clare.
No, me can't help you
Miss
because
Clare.
I'm me and him there. And me no know that I go come out. When me there on my own.
Miss Clare.
Me not taking nobody right there, so no. You can't make name.
Miss Clare, Miss Clare. But him tell me say you are mother, Miss Clare.
Me and mother.
Yes, miss. Jesus Christ.
Me and mother.
Yes, miss. I that thing to swear, miss. I that thing tell me, miss. Miss. Miss, so you are not mother, miss.
Me and my mother. I'm not his mother.
Miss, so you are out to him, miss. Miss, you are out to him.
I'm my people that. I'm from the people. So me no know
Jesus
who
Christ,
you
miss, he never, miss, he tell me say you are mother, miss. Miss, he tell me say you are mother, miss. If I ever one night, may I beg you to put me up, may I beg you, miss, please, miss, no.
Listen. No, right now I'm not at home. I'm at work. So me no know that so me not put up nobody now.
May I beg you, please, miss, mother, run me out.
But that's your name, can't name business.
Miss, what me not give me sim block me number, miss, right, me I tell you.
Listen to me. Me no respond to nothing.
Miss, me a big miss.
Wow.
Miss, please.
I want to know how you get my number and
Miss,
my name and all of them.
Miss, me did take it out on phone, cause me did ask him who that person here, and him say I'm mad at me, so me just take out the number, miss. Miss, so what me I go do with the belly? Me say want the baby, me can carry baby, and you take the baby when the baby born.
Me?
Miss,
I know me a baby myself.
Miss, so what me I go do with the belly?
You must know what you
Miss, but you and Junior there, you say you and Junior there, so me don't know if you could have taken baby, miss.
Me? No, darling, me not go come on that short thing.
So can at least put me up, please, me I beg you, miss,
Me
please.
cannot put you up because me not contain nobody in my
Miss, the girl father want to talk to you. My friend Ashley father want to talk to you. See her. Jesus Christ, see her.
What's she there? Hello, good night.
Good night.
Yeah. I miss clear this, no?
Me
you know, say, my daughter friend a tell me, which is the girl where you just talk to, you know, she a tell me, say, your son get her pregnant, which is Junior, yeah. Junior and your son.
No, darling.
Junior, you what?
I'm a man.
Where the blood clot? What you say?
Eh?
Where the blood clot you say to me? What you say? Miss Clare.
Eh?
You know, say little girl come tell me, say, you are Junior mother. Or she say that Junior tell her, you know.
Eh?
So you have to go sort out this, you know. You know, so you have to go sort out this. Come now, have to come for you, you know.
The next time out of school.
And who that in the background?
My friend them out there around and back there laughing.
Your friend a laugh after you.
Not after me. Can you laugh after me?
So who she a laugh after?
I don't know. He might laugh after not me.
And you she a laugh after, you know, because you Junior take for fool.
You can't take me for fool. Take
Miss
yourself
Clare.
for fool, not me.
Miss Clare, boy, I'm not telling a lie, no, Miss Clare. Hey, look, girl, go on in your bed. Just go around there, someone. Because you see if you need skin out this without me, you know. Miss Clare. Miss Clare.
Hello?
Boy, I'm not telling a lie, Miss Clare. Yo, you know what? Fuck them. Them are going to deal with that. I'm not telling a lie, Miss Clare. You're so nice, though.
Yeah, that's why you go, you
I
know.
like for have you in my life, you know, Miss Clare.
Me can't maintain a man right now, you know, because
No, man, baby girl, you don't have to maintain me. I'm here to maintain you. A Patrick this, you know.
You know, it's a Patrick, man.
Yeah, man. So, what you say? Junior fuck up right now, you know. Kick with Junior foot. No! A Junior fool, because Junior for do you that. A nice lady like you. I don't know how you look still, but you're so nice.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, so yes, I can WhatsApp you. I can take the number out of Ashley friend phone.
No, you know. No.
So you still go there with the waste boy Junior.
Well, they don't know nothing about him and it, you know, so me know what me I do. So he must know what he might go do, so I can help she and him.
No, boy, you can't help me. You can't help me. Miss Clare. Miss Clare. Miss Clare.
Hello?
Yeah, right now you talk to me, no man. Me I tell you, so me I get excited. Me in the mood.
What you asking?
Yeah, me in the mood right now, Miss Clare.
Right. You can't maintain a soul right now.
No, me will maintain you. What you talk to? Oh, you there work them hours, yeah. What kind of work you do fit? They work them hours, yeah. You know, say if you're there with Patrick, you're not even have to work, baby girl.
What you asking?
Yeah.
Right. I love my nice, you know, so you hear me, man.
You hear me, I say Miss Clare. Miss Clare. Miss Clare. Your voice I get weak and weak. I'm in a drop down. A joke is a prank.
Me know, man, me know, say it's a prank.
You can't know say it's a prank. Or if you know say it's a prank.
Them from me, a Patrick, them me no must know say a prank.
Oh, you know Patrick?
You see your man.
Bro! Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you know Patrick? Big up yourself, man. Then you should have tell me that, man. Big up yourself, Miss Clare. Miss Clare, ramp with me after Patrick feel like saying get a... Patrick feel like saying get a woman in a night. And Miss Clare, a play with man feeling.